So we just hit a huge milestone on our Acorns investing account. You can see over here, we're over $3,000 now invested into this account. You can see in the last year, we've done really well for ourselves. So let's take a little bit of a breakdown on what we're invested in with this Acorns account and how much we overall have made in total gains if we were to sell everything today. So first off, let's go ahead and see the investments we have. You can see down over here, we have 4 investments because when we signed up for this Acorns account, we chose to go ahead and just have it automatically invested into things that are a little bit more aggressive. But the nice thing is you can choose different ways of investing. So for us, this is what we ended up with. You could see large companies, medium companies, as well as some small companies and a little bit of international as well. Now, the nice thing is you can also be investing with individual stocks on Acorns now. But honestly, if you're somebody who just wants to kind of set and forget it, the nice thing with Acorns is this really does a great job for you. Now, the other thing before I go ahead and show you the full total return that we have so far out of that $3,040 that we currently have. If you are interested in opening up your own Acorns account, we're going to have a link for you here on the screen as well as in the show notes to go ahead and sign up and get a nice $20 bonus using our partner link. Now, what's also nice is once you go ahead and sign up, we got you covered by having a beginner's guide. I'll link it up at the end of the video as well as in the show notes down below. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll all the way down here to the bottom to our breakdown here. And you can see our total investment over this time has been $2,446.31. And our total gains, if we had sold everything today, would have been $593.93. We haven't done anything else but just investing into this account. Now, I do know some people like to mention that Acorns does have a monthly fee, which can take away when you count that into consideration. And I do understand that as well. But for something that makes it really easy for non-investors to actually invest in the stock market and not have to think twice and do everything automatically. And honestly, I think that is a great deal overall because it at least gets you in the market and gets you investing. And you can always switch later or continue to invest larger amounts, which will minimize that total fee compared to your total investment. Now, for us here to go ahead and have this achieved, we were doing $20 every single week for probably the last year or 2 years and a couple of months now. So you could see here, reoccurring every single Monday, we have been putting in $20. Now, of course, we can bump that up or we can lower that down depending on where we're at. Usually I encourage people start off with as low as $5 every single week if you can, and then keep bumping that up as time goes on. So that way you can see your impact. And what's really nice is here on Acorns, I always like to mention that you can actually see what that increase will actually potentially get you over time. So what I mean by that is right over here, we're currently at that $20. I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to $25. And then on the top right, it'll show you what the potential increase is by a certain time period when it comes to having this money invested. So when you can, keep bumping up. Let's go ahead and say we get to $30. That's going to jump us up to about $140,000 extra than what we were already getting with that $20 every single week. So let me go ahead and click on here just to kind of showcase what this graph is going to look like for you. Now that is obviously by the age of 76. So we could take this graph and just kind of figure out, hey, where are we going to be by 55? Or we're going to be by 47. And hopefully maybe that encourages you to want to continue to invest even more and increase that weekly amount or bi-weekly amount, whatever works best for you. Now, like I mentioned, I got you covered when it comes to setting up your Acorns account. We have our full beginner's guide. I'm going to post that right over here on screen so you can keep on watching and learning from our True Financials channel.